What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we got another reaction video and we're reacting to Benjamin James once again. Alright, I ain't waste no time. Let's go. This title say I think he's the best drummer in Africa. A lot of you guys out there in Africa have said this. So yeah, let's get it. Hold on. I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm finna real quick. I gotta let me rewind that one more time. Let me hit it again. What he did on that. Now it's the placement on that, but I'm about to hold on. I'm literally about to jump on the drums real quick. I'm gonna try that. All right, hold on. What's up, you guys? I hope you're enjoying today's video. If you guys didn't notice by now, today's video is sponsored by Sweetwater. Shout out to Sweetwater for sending me the gear that you see, specifically the PDP Concept Maple. You guys that's been seeing my YouTube shorts, you already know what's going on here. And this is actually their bundle. It comes with the hardware and also your hi-hat stand and your kick pedal. You already know how these toms are singing. I'm using the Clear Emperor Remo, and specifically these two cymbals right here. The Byzance 18-inch extra thin hammer crash and the Byzance 16-inch trash crash. All of it is linked down in the description box below. Once again, shout out to Sweetwater. Woo! All right, y'all. So I spent maybe like 30 minutes trying to like figure out this setup he was doing. I got it somewhat, but I'm gonna like turn it into something else. Here it is. Work on it some more, but that's pretty much the gist of it. Now I'm getting carried away. All right, let me get back to the reaction video. All right, here we go. I'm back. I had to figure that out. Hey, let me go back a little bit. That camera really going in and out, though. I know our cells don't do that, but that's just placement with some that's the placement. Oh, they're like those flam tabs, but the placement. Ah! That's a big ride. Ah! Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit up Benjamin James. I'll leave all his information down in the description box below. Make sure to sign up to my email list because I'm going to be sending some drum lessons, some free drum lessons. Also, make sure to check out my drum course. Man, I had to break down and figure out that little setup thing. I'm gonna be messing around with that once I gotta get to the lab. I'm running late, so I gotta check that out. But man, nah, that's crazy, y'all. Be on the lookout. Also, I got some drum covers coming out where I'm just waiting on a new ride cymbal. It's technically not new. I actually was able to. It's the ride cymbal I used during the Meinl shoots. That'll be here tomorrow. I can't wait. That's gonna be crazy. But yeah, be on the lookout for those drum covers. That's gonna be dropping. Shout out once again to Sweetwater. If you're interested in any of that gear, make sure to check the links down in the description box below, especially that Audient Evo 16. Man, that, like, for example, literally that's how I was able to hear the desktop of the video right here that you're looking at to like kind of figure out what he was doing. That connected with an iRig Duo, it's crazy. And all you need is your iPhone. But yeah, that's it. I'm done. This video's too long. I gotta practice. Y'all get to y'all shed and start, getting some work in, because I'm in the lab right now the rest of the day. I'm out of here.